Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to download MoneyLion application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by open your App Store. In the search box, type in MoneyLion and search. Look for the application from MoneyLion, which looks like this. And then tap on the Get button to start downloading the application on your mobile device. MoneyLion is a leading mobile finance platform that empowers consumers to take control of their financial lives through better products for borrowing, saving, and investing. Once the application is downloaded, simply launch it open and get started. That is how you will be able to download and install MoneyLion application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.